In the previous video, you learned how to make a map chart and how to change the option of your graph. Now we will learn how to add a panel, how to create a Radiolist, and a button. First, we drag and drop a panel. It is a container where you can put several other controls. Like any other controls, you can adjust the size of your panel by moving the mouse on the top of the panel. A panel can be used to build more complex dashboard layout, as we will demonstrate now. Then we drag and drop a Radiolist. Next, we select the date as a dimension, and by clicking on the small pen, we select the year as the modifier. We call it Select Year. Now that I have created a Radiolist on the year, I need to put Add the Year on the filter of my different chart. I click on the data source binding. I add the date as a filter. And by clicking on the small pen, we select the year again. I repeat the same thing for my bar chart. Now, if I go in display mode, you can see that by clicking on the year, my two charts get updated automatically. And I can keep using my filter on the area. But I can't reset my filter on the year, so I will create a button for it. I drag and drop a button. I call it Reset Filter. I can choose the color and the width. Done. Now we click on Action. New. Reset Filter. Here you can decide if you want to reset a specific filter. For example, the filter of the data source, tutorial, date, modifier, year. Or reset all filters. Done. As you can see, if I click on Reset Filter, all my filter, even from area, are reset. But I don't really like my gap under my two chart of my panel. I adjust my chart in order to take the full width of my panel. Then I repeat the same thing for my button Reset Filter. Now that you have a beautiful dashboard, you can watch the next video to learn how to generate a PDF or an Excel files directly to your dashboard with a third-party tool.